all-new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the technology-advanced 2.7-liter turbo offers full-size truck customers a capable and efficient choice with an EPA-estimated fuel economy of 20 miles city, 23 miles per gallon highway in rear-wheel drive models. To achieve both better performance and overall efficiency, engineers made smart choices with engine technologies, advanced manufacturing, and the use of mixed materials. The base curb weight of the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado with the 2.7-liter turbo is 380 pounds less than the current Silverado with the 4.3-liter V6, despite having more interior room and cargo space. Standard on the LT and the RST trims, the 2.7-liter engine offers 14% more torque and 13% better city fuel economy, and it is more than a full second quicker, 0 to 60 miles per hour than the 4.3-liter V6 it replaces. The Silverado city fuel economy also exceeds the standard 3.3-liter V6 engine offering in the Ford F-150 XLT with an EPA estimated of 19 miles city and match that of the Ram 1500 3.6-liter V6 mild hybrid, EPA estimated 20 miles per gallon city. The new Silverado delivers the largest cargo volume of any full-size truck on the market, so customers don't have to sacrifice space for efficiency. They'll also enjoy Silverado's full-size truck capability and durability. The new 2.7-liter turbo engine delivers an SAE certified 310 horsepower and 348 foot-pounds of torque, exceeding Ford's 3.3-liter V6 and Ram's 3.6-liter V6 mild hybrid by 31% and 29% respectively. The Silverado 2.7-liter turbo reaches its peak torque more quickly than Ford or Ram engines in the segment and delivers it from 1500 RPM to 4000 RPM. Customers will feel the power as the truck can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. Its max towing capacity is 7,200 pounds and there is a 2,280 pound max payload.